morning students. Today I will revise your first chapter, Evolution of Computer. Okay. First, year, name and invention. First invention is abacus. कहाँ हुआ था? चाइना में. Before 3000 year ago. This is the first calculating device. Okay. Next, 1642. Blaise Pascal, and his invention is Pascaline adding machine or first mechanical calculator. Its work is only addition and subtraction. Next, 1672. Gottfried Williams, step reckoner or first calculator. Its work is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Next is 1822. Charles Babbage, and his invention is difference engine. After 10 years, it means 1833. Analytical engine or mechanical computer. He is the father of computer. Okay. Next, Lady Ada Lovelace. She is the first computer programmer. Okay. 0 and 1. This is the binary number 0 and 1. Next, 1819. Herman Hollerith, and his invention is tabulating machine. Okay students. Let's start revised computer generation. Okay. 5 computer generation. Generation duration: first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation and fifth generation. Okay, what is the difference between first, second, third, fourth and fifth? Okay, first generation duration 1940 to 1955. Second generation 1956 to 1964. Third generation 1965 to 1975. Fourth generation is 1976 to 1985, and fifth generation is 1986 to present. Okay. Invention. First, major innovation. First generation में vacuum tubes. Okay. Second generation, transistors or main components. Third generation, integrated circuits IC or basic electronic components. Fourth generations, microprocessor VLSI and LSIC, very large scale integration and large scale integration circuit. Fifth generation, ultra large scale integrated circuit. Okay. फर्स्ट जनरेशन टू फिफ्थ जनरेशन में मेजर इन्वेंशन जो थे वो ये थे: वैक्यूम ट्यूब्स, ट्रांजिस्टर्स, इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट्स, माइक्रो प्रोसेसर एंड अल्ट्रा लार्ज स्केल इंटीग्रेटेड. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज मेन मेमोरी. फर्स्ट जनरेशन में मैग्नेटिक ड्रम्स. सेकेंड जनरेशन रैम एंड रोम. Third generation PROM and DRAM. Fourth generation EPROM and SRAM. And last one is fifth generation EEPROM. Okay. Next is external storage. First generation punched card. Second, magnetic caps and magnetic disc. Third generation improved disk or floppy disk. Fourth generation floppy disk and hard disk. Fifth generation modified magnetic and optical disk. Okay. Next is languages. First generation low level machine language. Second generation assembly language, some high level language, example basic, COBOL and Fortran. Third generation more high level language. Fourth generation, language and application software. Fifth generation, AI. It means artificial intelligence, expert system. Okay, output and input. First, punched cards and paper. Second generation में we used magnetic tapes, punched card, paper for output. Third generation में keyboards for input and monitor for output. Fourth generation में we used monitor for output. And last generation, fifth generation में keyboard pointing device, scanner as input and monitor as main output. Okay, operating system. First generation, no operating system, human operate to set. Okay, फर्स्ट जनरेशन में कोई भी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम नहीं थी, ये ह्यूमन इसको ऑपरेट सेट करते थे. सेकंड, ह्यूमन हैंडल्स पंच्ड कार्ड. थर्ड, कंप्लीट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम वेयर इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. फोर्थ जनरेशन, MS DOS एंड PC DOS. फिफ्थ जनरेशन, GUI बेस्ड, एग्जाम्पल Windows 95 and Windows NI. Okay, size. First generation, mainframe, for example ENLAC, EDVAC and UNIVAC. Second generation, mainframe, for example IBM 1401 and NCR 300, etc. Third generation, mini, for example IBM system and 360, ICS 360 and Honeywell 316, etc. Fourth generation, microcomputer, example IBM PC and Apple, etc. And last and fifth generation is very small size, example laptop, notepad, digital diary, pocket PC, etc. Okay students, your homework is read chapter 1 and learn exercise. Thank you.